to my channel. So today we're going to be doing my Ipsy for the month of December, which is the last box of the whole entire year of 2019. We're going to be trying it on for you guys. We're going to be doing it. I'm going to be giving you my thoughts. So the first thing that I got, which I am like not loving at all, like this is a total like fail for me. The eyeshadows that I have on right now are not this palette at all. This is the Ipsy, I think it's called. This is the Van Ness eyeshadow quad. Looks like this. This retails for $60, and it has them here. And these are the shades. You guys will see in my video. I tried creating a look with this. I tried, and I couldn't. Like it did not work out for me. They're okay. I don't like that this black stuff gets dirty. I don't like that, but this is super cool because you can remove this and it's magnetic at the bottom. So if you have like any other eyeshadows or blushes or highlighters or stuff that's like loose, you can stick them in here if they're magnetic. These don't have shade names, so they're just in there, but I think that is super cool. That is a universal palette. But like I said, I tried to do looks with this and it just didn't work out for me, guys. Like it just didn't. So this retails for $25. This has a nice mist to it. It smells like aloe. It smells really good. Actually, it smells a lot better than a lot of the other setting sprays that I have. It smells really, really good. I did like this. Just the mist is really, really fine. So for me, I had to like spray and spray and spray to kind of get like that wet feel from a setting spray that I know that it's on my face type of feel, I guess. Type of like feeling. Does that make sense? But yeah, I like this though. Super nice. The next thing I got was the Complex Culture Press and Set Bronzer Brush, which looks like this. This retails for $35. It's so pretty. This is so soft. I can't get this thing off. It's so soft and it's so pretty. I love it. The only thing is that obviously I like totally forgot to use this. I had it sitting here on my desk and there was just like a lot going on, like with the eyeshadows. I just got frustrated, and then my phone died, and it was a lot of stuff that was going on. My dad came in and he bothered me. I had so many interruptions today, but I still totally forgot to use this brush. But don't worry, guys, I will use this in another video. But this is super, super soft. This is like vegan and cruelty free and stuff like that. I have the box that it came in, and this is like the most like luxurious packaging that I've seen for a brush to come in. Like, this is crazy. The next thing that I got was this Feel Beauty Brilliant Bamboo Charcoal Facial Sheet Mask. It's a set of 4. The set of 4 retails for $35. This is what it looks like. Obviously, I used one. These are really nice. I like them. They don't really have like a weird smell. It was just super, super cold because I was doing it like so early in the morning. They were freaking cold. But they're really, really nice. They're black face masks. So, and this does take a little bit longer. Usually like face masks or sheet masks like this, usually they're like about 15 to 20 minutes max that you leave it on your face. This one you have to leave it on at least for 30 minutes to allow the serum to sink into your skin and all that stuff, according to the back of the sheet mask. And my face did feel really refreshed, really nice. I liked it. So these are really, really good. I enjoyed them. And then the last two things that I got, I don't know how you say it. I think it's Noaya or Noaya. I don't know how you pronounce it. This is the Noaya Organic Lip Balm Set in Peppermint and Vanilla. The set of 2 retails for $7.98. I used the vanilla one, and it's not overpowering vanilla scent or nothing like that. It's actually really, really nice. My lips did feel moisturized the whole time I was doing my makeup. The total retail value of my box for this month was $162.98, which I think is not that bad. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the little bell so you guys will be notified the next time I upload. Without further ado, guys, let's just go ahead and get on to this video. I'm comfy right now. It's like super, super cold outside. It was like 20 degrees in the morning when I went to go drop off my daughter at school, so I'm comfy right now. This is like my comfy type of style. And let's just go ahead and get on with the tutorial. I'm not liking this look at all. Like this, no. This is more like of a purple periwinkle color, and then it's more like a lighter pink. I don't think it goes right, but I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. That should probably didn't work, so we're just gonna move on to the next thing. The next thing I got was the Tarte Stay Spray. This is the Tarte Stay Spray. This is the setting spray, and this retails for $25. According to the box, it says it locks in makeup in place for 16 hours. It is transfer proof, weightless, and microfine, and it has cucumber and aloe extracts. So we will see